Okay, so this is going to be our Earth Day project. We're going to be working on this for multiple days. So that means you do not have to finish the entire thing in one day. Here's what else you're not going to do. Do not submit it to me. This is going to be ongoing. So if you submit it to me, you're not going to be able to work on it later. So don't submit. You just type in, it'll save, and you can go back to it later. So right here is the first slide. Click the video. Sometimes you have to click it twice. But you click right here, you watch the whole video. If you don't watch the video, you can't answer these questions. Full sentences, not just a date. Earth Day is, I can take care of the planet by. This one should be longer. You have more room here. You should have a longer sentence. I don't want single sentences for some of these. Some of these you should explain yourself. In fourth grade, we do full rad. In this particular case, it's not answer detail. It's an answer, a little bit of an explanation, an answer, a little bit of an explanation. This is a project, and each slide I am grading. I'll grade them all separately, and you'll get a grade out of 100. You want to do well on this and do your best on it. The next one, this is also information that you're getting from the video. Full sentences. This one, full sentences. Skip this one, we're doing it later. And the last one you're doing is this one. This one is not full sentences. You're just taking one, putting it here, taking one, putting it here, taking one, putting it there. All right? Just click edit here to type. Okay? And remember, watch the video first, then do the slides. And do not hit submit. This will not be due today. You're only doing some of the slides today. All right? And do your best on them.